Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doc Keys. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your beats and your voice for Makossa praise. You understand? So, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, please do well to like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to start with the beat. If you want to set the beat, you click on style here. Yeah, you can use this for your Makossa, but let me use the Makossa, the main Makossa beat on this keyboard PSR E463. Understand? It's on 164. Hope you are seeing it. Once you have selected the beat, you will now press here to start it. Press here to start it. Let me stop it because it's too fast. To control the tempo, you click on tempo here. You see it's on 134. Let's reduce it to something like 100. To do that, you press 100. Okay, this one 100. You understand? It's on 100 now. So let's check it again. To check it, you press it. Understand? You can auto fill from here. Okay, you see? You can change it. This is main B. You can change it from here. This main auto fill. You change the beat, it's going to be. But I prefer the main A. Click here. This sounds more like Makossa beat. Understand? So we now set our beats already. So the next thing we're going to set is our voice. You click on voice here. You click on voice here to set. Let's use jazz guitar for this. 044 is our jazz guitar. Let's now set it up. Increase the main volume. You click on function. Let's increase the main volume. Main volume. It's on 084. Put it on 120. Hope you're seeing it. So we now let's set our dual voice for this. Let's use dual voice. To do that, you have to click on your dual. To now show you, this is sweet flute. Let's use clavier for this tutorial. It's on 337. Yeah, this is it. We have not set. Let's also set our dual volume. Let's put it as 80. We now set our dual volume. Put your dual octave. Let's put it in -1. You understand? So we now set it, the dual. To activate it, you just click on it once. You see, dual activated. So let's check it. You see? You see? So let's just put a bass here. See our bass? I'll click on your split. Yeah, it's already on the one I already used. So sign. Set it up as well. Put the split octave. Put it at 1. No, it should be on 0. You see, I already activated it. I just clicked it. To activate it, once you set it, I deactivated it. You just click on your split. It's now activated. You see? This is it. So next thing now, you now check the split point, where the split will stop. Let's check where it will stop. our split point. You will see split point is 60. Yeah, 60 is okay. So this is now set up. So another thing you're going to do is your harmony. You set it. Set your harmony. You click on harmony. Let's use echo. Let's use echo. Yeah. This is okay. So that it will be echoing a bit. After setting it, is the harmony volume. Let's leave it at 80. Then to activate it, you just click on harmony once. Let's see. You see? Let's just reduce the volume a bit. The harmony. Let's put it at 70. Yeah. Yeah, this is okay. So this is how to set up your beat and your voice for your Makossa praise. So let me now play something with this beat, then we end the tutorial. I've now finished setting it up. Let me just play simple Makossa rhythm. So this is how to set up your beat and your Makossa voice on keyboard using the PSR E43. Same setting applied to other E-series keyboard. Please guys, hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, follow. God bless. See you in my next tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to play basic Makossa rhythm on keyboard. Thank you guys. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.